Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this guide video, I'll show you guys how can you transfer files between Mac and Windows over Wi-Fi. Now to do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now first thing first, to send a file or to transfer files from Mac to PC, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now first of all, you need to set up file sharing on Mac. So for Windows user, to access your Mac files, you need to turn on file sharing and enable SMS sharing. Now firstly, what you have to do is you need to click the Apple icon in the upper left corner of your Mac screen. Once you do it so, it's going to take you to the next field where you need to go ahead and select System Preferences. In the System Preferences window, what next you want to do is click on Sharing at the bottom of the screen. Once you've done it so, you want to make sure to enable the file sharing checkbox in the left panel of the screen. Button from the right hand side corner of your screen, then go to file sharings folder using SMB. Once you enable that, it's going to direct you to the next field, or it's going to open up a pop-up window. So you want to go ahead and select the checkbox. You want to select the checkbox next to each user account you want to share files in the window file sharing list. Once you've done it so, click on account, click on the done button. On the next field, you need to enter the password for each user and click the OK button. Once you're done, after you've selected all the necessary user, click on done once again. Then once you've actually done it so, you want to choose the source. After you've done it so, you want to choose what to share. So after file sharing setup has been enabled, all of these, and what next you want to do is you want to come to this page, or under the share folder, click the plus button. Once you've actually enabled that, then navigate to the folder that you want to share and select the click or add button. After which you want to repeat the steps. That is, you want to go to the share folder, click the plus button and navigate to the folder you want to share, select it and click the add button. Then you need to select all the share folders and click the plus button under the user file or the user, and then choose the user and click on select. That is how you've successfully transferred it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.